Welcome to Wenda on Air! Here, I'm Bird Cathy, and this is Vineria, broadcasting live here in this beautiful garden with a very beautiful pool that glows in the dark at night. Yes, it's called the lemonade pool. But where is Wenda anyways? Oh, let's check Wenda and see what she is doing. A little suspicious here, huh? Whoa, it's party time in the water! Oh, Wenda, you're here! Oh yeah, there's a lot of water. It's like an aquatic water party! Wait, where are you taking me? To the water party? You know, some cats hate water, but I love water! Even sugary lemonade. Oh, that's called the lemonade party thing? Nope! It's the water lemonade party! Oh, yeah? So, here's what you do. Just put your claw up and your little paw down. And then doing like this all around. Come on, everybody! Yeah, you're doing it! You're doing it! Hey!